Habits for cultivating happiness. 1. Cultivate gratitude. Practice expressing gratitude for the things you have in life. Keep a gratitude journal and regularly reflect on the positive aspects of your life. 2. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Prioritize activities that nourish your body and mind, such as exercise, meditation, hobbies, and spending time in nature. 3. Foster meaningful relationships. Surround yourself with supportive and positive people. Invest time and effort into building and maintaining strong relationships with family, friends, and loved ones. 4. Practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment and cultivate awareness of your thoughts, emotions, and sensations. Mindfulness can help you appreciate the small joys in life and reduce stress and anxiety. 5. Set and pursue meaningful goals. Identify your passions and set goals that align with your values. Working towards something meaningful can give you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. 6. Develop a positive mindset. Train your mind to focus on the positive aspects of situations. Challenge negative thoughts and reframe them in a more optimistic light. Surround yourself with positive influences, such as uplifting books, podcasts, or affirmations. 7. Engage in acts of kindness. Helping others not only benefits them but also boosts your own happiness. Engage in random acts of kindness, volunteer your time, or simply be there for someone in need. 8. Practice forgiveness. Holding on to grudges and resentment can weigh you down emotionally. Learn to forgive others and yourself. Letting go of past grievances allows you to move forward and experience greater peace and happiness. 9. Prioritize experiences over material possessions. Invest in experiences that bring you joy, such as traveling, trying new activities, or spending quality time with loved ones. These experiences create lasting memories and can contribute to a deeper sense of happiness. 10. Find work-life balance. Strive for a balance between your work and personal life. Dedicate time to activities and hobbies that bring you joy and help you relax. Set boundaries and make self-care a priority, ensuring that you have time for rest and rejuvenation.